Hi, I'm Jim from Schill Cable Reels, and this is our GT series, which is a proprietary rubber plastic resin. We offer it in 4 sizes, down from a GT235, a GT310, a GT380, and a GT450. These are all in our hand carry frames, but it's also available in a stacking studio frame in the 3 larger sizes. So the SK310, SK380, and an SK450. And we stock so many variations of this, you can pick the cover you need for it. We offer it as an RM, and this is an RMFK, which is a door to keep fiber behind, to keep the fiber terminals clean. And we have an SO plate, which allows you to do bulkhead fittings. And that's pretty much universal to all these, but they all have their own series of covers to complete the system. So if you're interested in a reel and you know what you want to put on them, go to shillreels.com, put in the OD and the length, and it'll kick back any of the reels and what the capacity is. Or if you're not in the North American market, you can go to shill.de.